The other day we're gonna go wash this Malibu off. It's been a while since it's been clean. Been a few years. All that dirt collects on it. Doesn't do the cleaning any good. I'm gonna go wash it off. Battery still hooked up in it. Looked like all the tires were up. Don't have to pump any of them up. I moved the bags of beer cans out of the way. This side looks like the tires are all up. Yep, that one's up. Glad I got this camera because I don't have to walk up in there to look at it. I'm gonna zoom in on it. I'll set the camera up over here. I'll back her out. Alright, backed out. We'll drive up in front of the shop. Give her a bath. Damn dirt. There's the view from inside. Lots of dirt. I have to look out the window to see where the hell we're going. Last time. I'll watch the other dirty Malibu. Roll the window up. Let the dirt out of the seat. I'll get the tire washer going here and I'll be back. Alright, I got the tire washer set up. I'm going to start it here and give it kind of a soaking, but it's trying to rain. Mother Nature's trying to beat me to the punch. Look at the car, you can see it's getting wet. Hopefully my camera doesn't get all wet being out here either. Might find something covered up. And now it's completely washed off. Looks a lot better now than it did when we pulled it up here. We got some of these damn weeds, actually morning glories, that like to grow up everything and wrap around everything. Bunch of them hanging off the back here. It's a lot cleaner than it was. The only thing I did notice after I pulled it up here is the transmission line's leaking. So I need to fix that. Got a tranny cooler down in there. That bottom hose is leaking somewhere. But other than that, nothing too wrong with it, except I did notice my hood ornament emblem came out. It was glued back in. That should do it. Washing off the 80 Malibu. If you enjoyed, subscribe, like, comment, share. I appreciate everybody watches. Thanks for watching. So I thought I'd see where that transmission line was leaking at. Took the drill out so we could get to the tranny cooler. See it right there. I've been that. It started leaking right there. Yeah.